What's good? I'm here to tell y'all about a YouTuber and artist known as Jazza, formerly known as drawwithjazza, and I believe before that, Jazza Studios. I'm here to talk about how he might just be the best artist on YouTube. I'm not trying to say he's Van Gogh or Da Vinci, but there are certainly qualities I feel he has that give him a run for this position of best artist on YouTube. Firstly, his ability to adapt and adopt many art forms is just incredible. He's done bonsai tree work, he's done regular sculpting, wood carving, pottery, wood sculpting, and plenty of other art forms. Not to mention his traditional and digital illustration work along with animation in a variety of forms. Admittedly, he isn't the best at everything he tries, but he's certainly great at a lot of them. On to my second point. So in my opinion, a big part of what makes someone great in a community is what they do for said community and how they're received by said community. Jazza has been described as sort of a YouTube art OG. Here's what Super Ray Dizzle, another popular artist on the platform, has said about Jazza.
If you're living under a rock and don't know who Jazza is, I would say that he's like the heart and soul of the art community.
There's a reason Jazza is seen this way. Over the years, he has educated many young artists and likely older artists as well on various art forms. Even though it isn't very viable for YouTube's algorithm anymore, he still tries to produce more tutorial-esque content, and I'll speak more on that in a later point.
You just clicked on a video that implies it's a tutorial? It's 2021, people! This is YouTube. This isn't a place for education. All right, just this.
But another notable thing Jazza has done for the art community happened a few months back. Actually, I think about a year now. And this situation I'm talking about is when he exposed ZHC, also known as Zach. It isn't really the hateful or spiteful video series it may seem to be on the outside. It was simply a way for Jazza to attempt to mend and get to the bottom of the shaky relationship between Zach and the art community on YouTube. Jazza took his time with this, spending over 3 months between parts. He did this to give Zach a chance to speak and explain as well as gather the appropriate context. While he let Zach speak, he also held him accountable for his actions. Jazza holding the position in the community he does, I felt it was very important for him to have done this and handle it well, as he did. Now for something that is still in the works, his new art channel, or as he puts it, our art channel. Here he hopes to give other artists opportunities to explore, teach, and show off their own art. Throughout his introductory video, which is currently the only video, he makes it a point to highlight this as well as his current employees.
In recent content on my main channel, I've been able to have the pleasure of including the talents of Alicia Lowry in some of my videos. She is a phenomenally talented artist and digital painter.
He also does this on his vlog channel in another video related to the new channel.
And I am so grateful for my team. Like, I do not take for granted at all or ever how amazing it is that I have such talented people that I'm working with in their own right and on their own things, and that they contribute to something we're all building together, and we're making great things.
This is something I noticed about Jazza for a while, but it's very clearly illustrated in these videos.
But I also love my community and my colleagues, the audience I get to interact with, and the things I learn from you, and the talent I see in you, and the encouragement you guys give me, and the criticism you guys give me. It feeds me and gives me life, and I'm so grateful for you and what we're doing here.
To wrap up, Jazza is skillful and has made an undeniable beneficial impact on our community of YouTube. For these reasons, I feel he could be the greatest artist to grace the platform. But if I learned anything from watching Jazza, I've learned that art isn't a competition. It's about having fun with your art and creativity. And until next time, I'll see you later. Check out the background music as well as Jazza's channels down below in the description.